In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the sort function in Google Sheets. Sorting data can be incredibly useful for organizing information, making it easier to analyze and present. So, if you're looking to master the sort function, you've come to the right place. When working with the sort function in Google Sheets, there are three basic parameters to keep in mind: the range, the column number, and the is ascending choice. Let's break down each of these elements to ensure you understand how they work together. The range parameter is where you select the data you wish to organize. Imagine your spreadsheet as a large table filled with information. You'll want to specify exactly which part of this table you're going to be sorting. Once you've identified this data block, you're ready to move on to the next step. The second parameter is the sort column. This refers to the column number from which you'd like to organize the data. Essentially, you're choosing the key column that will dictate the order of the rest. You simply count from the beginning of your selected range to find the corresponding column number for the data you're targeting. Finally, the is ascending parameter allows you to decide if you'd like your data sorted in ascending or descending order. If you set it to true, your data will start from the smallest value and work its way up. Conversely, if you prefer descending order, you would set this field to false. To help illustrate these points, let's walk through a practical example. In my sheet, I have a list of product sales, and I want to organize product sales A in ascending order. First, I'd set my range to include all relevant data. Next, I'd look at my column numbers and see that product sales A is in the second column. So I'd set my sort column to 2. Since I want these to be sorted in ascending order, I would set the is ascending parameter to true. When I execute the sort function, you'll notice something really beneficial. All associated data in the row remains correlated to the product sales, even after sorting. This means you won't lose track of related information like product names or dates alongside their sales figures. Now, suppose I wanted to sort the sales for product B instead. I could easily do this by adjusting the sort column parameter. Since product B is in the third column of my range, I'd change the number from 2 to 3, applying the same ascending order. And that's how you use the sort function in Google Sheets. It's really as simple as setting your range, choosing your column, and deciding your order. Once you get the hang of it, you'll find it an indispensable tool for making your data work for you. Thanks for watching, and happy sorting.